What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are playing Animal Company, and there's an apocalypse, and I'm just gonna use this right here. Oh, and that just launched me. I'm on my own. So yeah. May you protect?
Get up.
May you protect me while I'm getting loot?
They may come from Bill.
Oh gosh. I'm doing nothing right now because I just need loot. Loot, I say.
I say a whoop.
Those hammers are
I say whoop. I say a no. Open them. I need them in a. Put them in a bag. I need them in a bag. I need money.
Put what in the bag?
The ammo and what sell them. They'll be spawning then. Get up to the safe zone. You have no weapon. Get up.
I will in just a second though. Okay. I'm gonna put this money. Can they still kill me when I'm in my storage? They might.
No, they cannot. They cannot. But you can only.
I have one of those purple hammers. I have one of those purple hammers. Should I equip that or should I equip the revolver?
Can you come to me, like jump over this zombie and get
let me just weave. Hold on, I'm gonna put that bag in there real quick. Should I use the revolvers or what should I use? The revolver or the purple hammer?
Revolvers. So then you can like shoot them from a long range and kill them.
Okay, so yeah, I'm long range.
Get into the safe zone.
I'm long range and you're short range.
Yeah, basically.
What the heck is this? Come into safe zone real quick. Hold on, here, let me.
Dude,
oh, it's doing no damage.
Jump over. I need them. You gotta jump over.
Oh, nice. You're goated, dude. You're carrying.
Collect all the boxes. Oh, you need it. It just gave you full health. Get all those boxes above. I need them.
I didn't need the revolver ammo. You dropped one. Come here. Jesus is OP. I could just. What if I just keep doing this? They physically just can't get me. Okay, maybe they can get me if I do that. No.
Okay, dude, I know what to do. I'm golden at this.
That was my fault. That was my fault.
Respawn. I'm golden.
I'm grabbing a hammer. Trust. Got him. Take your hammer.
Break the team.
For real.
Just put the boxes above into the thing. I'm putting them all in.
Okay. Hurry! It starts so quick.
I know.
I'm bringing this one up. Oh, there's a big one!
I'm coming! Shoot the big one! Come on!
Hold on, I need to wait, hold on. I'm gonna open until I get more revolver ammo. There. And then I can just...
Dude,
nice.
Dude, get all the boxes. I need these things to heal me. Oh, full health. Dude, I'm a killing machine. I'm at full health again.
For real?
Get up there now.
You're goated.
Get up there.
Okay, hold on. I need to like kill from somewhere else. Wait, what if I grab? Wait. Hold on. I have a really good idea. Oh wait, it does no damage, right? Shoot. Nice. Ah!
Dude, just
Boom! Oh, what the? Bro, what? Dude, you're actually goated.
Dude, respawn until they get your stuff quick.
Nah, I'm respawning. Yo, I'm gonna switch. Can I grab a hammer instead?
Okay.
Ow.
Oh my god. Those zombies brain dead or something?
Maybe. I mean, screw it. $20,000 won't hurt, right? Hopefully. Didn't that just do nothing? I think that just did nothing.
Yeah, you gotta jump out.
Shoot, so I just spent time. Here, I'm distracting them. You like sneak behind. No, I can't. I physically just can't. See, they can't get me from here. I wish I didn't waste the RPG ammo. I'm sacrificing myself. Wait, that might actually be the way, to be honest, though.
Dude.
Is it? I can't move. Weave? What am I weaving at?
Dude, collect all of these boxes.
You're goated. Wait, I have a good idea.
Press the reset button. Press the reset button.
Shoot.
We're not continuing. Dude, we're not continuing no more.
Okay.
We're selling all of this. And then guess what I can do? I can give you 2 of these babies.
I bet. Hold on. Wait, no, let's open these. And then we'll, sell all the ammo.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, dude, just find our bags and put them all in. Dude, want me to show you what they do? By the way, you forgot shotgun shells. You forgot some
Hold on. Wait, I'm not gonna do that quite yet. That's where all the ammo will go. Will go.
Dude, bring them all back to the cellar.
Hold on. Let's open up the boxes.
Wait, dude, just open them up in bale. Oh. Dude, that's enough, I'm pretty sure.
That's only half, dude. Wait for me, dude. Gotta wait for me, dude.
You can open all you want. You got like a...
Okay, so you see all this ammo? Grab a backpack.
Does this one have
Yeah,
any?
and then just fill up the ammo. Did I put in
Dude, that was
something else?
so satisfying.
For real.
Bro, oh, that just
But only the ammo.
cracking
Only the
sound.
ammo though. Only the ammo.
The food. Again, not beg for the food, just in case.
Yeah, the food and everything that can stay.
Yeah, the food.
Yo, there's a box by the.
Don't, dude, just sell them. Just sell them, okay? Don't just sell them.
Throw your bags over
Yeah,
to
sure,
Dirty,
just-
okay?
Wait, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
Dude, there's still no bag over there.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. How much do those hammers cost?
600 each.
Oh, that's not horrible, but still.
Yeah, I know.
I
Just put
have
those two
more
in
ammo.
there. Just put
Wait,
the
hold on.
food
I
inside.
might be able to just. No, 'cause you might need these. Hold
We
on. I
got
might be.
enough food. You need 3 research points. The hammer's way too. Buy the shotguns. See the shotguns? The weight
so
under the
I-
hammers.
Okay, yeah. So I can.
Wait, who's there? Who's there? Because it just put another thing in there.
I'm just gonna unlock the normal one. Okay. All right, let's sell it. Why did I talk into the speaker? Let's go. It's on your side. How much money? I'm expecting like maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000
Yeah, it's
even.
definitely 1,000.
Dang,
2,000,
almost
yeah.
3,000. All right, hold on.
I know. And now I have enough to buy you some more. Hey,
No,
No.
here, I can go unlock it myself. Look what we
What?
forgot.
can
Our
I
little,
eat this? You,
our MRE packs are right there. Okay, and then, oh, we forgot some bullets, but I'll just keep that.
I'm gonna eat this nutritious food. Might give me a power boost, might turn me into a zombie. Let's try it out. Should I eat brains?
Well, hold on, I can't see what's in your hand because I'm in my storage.
I
do you
have
have?
nothing in my hand.
Oh. I don't know why, but I already have one of those lances in my inventory.
Dude, where are you?
And the research point hub.
What's going on?
We.
Dude, where are you?
I'm where the research points are. Oh, this is new. What is that? What the heck even is that? Wait, no, it might not be new.
I'm gonna spot you eventually.
Oh, weapon master. Yo, dude, where's the lance?
Lance?
Yeah, that thing. Football's right there. There. Okay. Where's this? Get the shield. I'm just gonna go look back at the map, so... Map! Okay, so where do
I'm
I
trying to
get
find it.
from?
It's like
Hulk Fist. And then, okay. So I need to find the Hulk Fist, which shouldn't it be hard.
I know
'cause
what
I think the Hulk
is.
Fist is over here. Yep.
Yeah, it's on one of those pills.
Wait, which way even is it? This way?
Found you, bro. I'm off.
Wait, where is it though?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, is it this? It's right here. That's the shield though. Can I afford taking another 2 hits? Yeah, I can. Or I guess just 1. Which way is it? From the Hulk thing. From the Hulk hand. That way?
Found it!
Wait, wait. Oh, wait, what? Why am I blind? I did not see that.
You can respawn. Want me to buy you some hammers?
Nah. I'd rather just unlock them.
Dude, I'm coming over. Wait now, bro.
It's fine. I'm already at the ogre hands.
And I just went back to spawn with that hammer.
Shoot. And I just died because I'm not used to being on hands. And I just died because I'm not used to being on hands, to be honest. Whee!
Stop. Okay, now just
Parkour.
last. Right here.
Okay, I see it, but let me just real quick. Oh, and I also had a shotgun on me. Holy, that was such a save, dude. Why did I stutter saying?
Well, I'm gonna go back to the.
Alright, hold on.
Hey, dude, it's right here. Right here. Right here. Dude, want to see something cool? Just
Wait,
unlock
why is it 3? It said that it was only 1. Oh well, I have 6.
Yeah, from a far away, it looks.
Do I really have to buy it from? It said that it was attached from the ogre hands.
Yeah, I just
Hold on, I think I have to buy the stupid lance first.
Yeah, you do.
No, do I actually have to buy the shield first? Wait, no, I only have to buy the I only have to buy the shield first.
It's
Which one you want?
right here. Unlock it.
Why is it not? Can I only buy it from the lance? So I just wasted some research points, didn't I?
Yeah, for sure.
That's actually probably the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I thought that, dang it.
Dude, that sucks.
It's not like I'm gonna use any of those 2 items.
Dude, do you have enough for it?
Yeah,
Thank God.
but now I only have 1, so. Ugh. No! Yep, I'd assume that those were gone.
Dude, where are you?
I'm already back. Thunder! My bad.
Oh, did you just scream like a little girl?
Yeah, I said the thunder. As a joke. Okay, let's start it, but I'm gonna have one of these. There's 600, right? Yeah, there.
Yeah, there's 600. Closer to 700, but there's 679 cents. There's $6.
Okay, I'm putting both of mine right there. So don't touch them. Okay, now let's start. Ready? Oh wait, it didn't matter because it's only half, right?
Yeah, it just has to be half.
Dead?
Dude, by the way, it's
Now that I don't need this. Nah, trust, I'm fine.
naked. Don't. Yeah.
That was easy. Why am I so heavy though? You seem like you go so fast. You seem that you're not super heavy. Like you seem.
Yeah, I just have to push. No, gang up on him, bro. Oh damn, that's good. Don't.
He's out. Gang up on him. Oh, gang. Oh shoot, that's good. Oh dang, that's good.
Yeah. This
What just happened? Wait, what?
Yeah, they launch you up into the sun, basically.
I fought that, but
Probably wait there. Damn, sneaky.
Yeah, just launch up to the...
oh yeah. By the way, when I record videos for my YouTube channel, I'm family friendly. By the way, just to let you know if that's so.
Dude, I'm
Did you
recording
hear
a
me?
video. I won't be in a video. Dude, I want to find someone. I want to.
I'm actually like, okay, no, I thought that was about dead, but I'm nowhere even close to being dead. So.
Come here.
Behind you. Then you killed him. Whee! Yo! Look at where he landed. Okay, no, we're good.
Dude, I gotta go do my family board game night.
Ah! Hit off of that, bounce off of that. Oh, yeah, I did, but it didn't. Yoink, yoink. I feel like
Dude,
I
finish
feel
the
like I
zombies
won. No. Yo, I jumped and then I landed in spawn.
Whoa, see what's about there.
Whee! I don't even go high.
Whoa, that's how heavy they are. They make you queso.
Wait, not when you jump though. When you jump, you defy the laws of
Dude, dude, go to
of gravity at that point.
go to spawn, dude. I want to kill them all at once.
Alright, hold on.
Dude, I want to kill them all at once. Dude, come to spawn.
No!
Don't die.
I'm above that spawn.
Wait, what? Dude, let me just.
Come on, boy. It's not letting me kill them when they can kill me.
Dude, they gotta be.
Go behind, because I'm literally one shot. I could take this one. No, I can't. You wanna know why? Because I'm literally
Oh, damn, I
one
went
shot.
on the back.
Nice, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna
You
respawn,
don't
grab
have
my
to
stuff.
rewind.
One. Nope. One. Die. Open. Two.
Dude, I gotta do my family board game night, okay?
What?
Dude, fund me.
Hold on, wait. Let me just.
Now, dude, I gotta go my family's board game night today. Wait now. So it's either we'll never see it again, or we find each other. Wait now.
Alright. Wait, so what do you have to do? Like one night?
I gotta play my family board game night.
Alright. How did you? Hey, see ya. What the heck?
See ya.
What the heck? See ya, brother.
I need those hammers. Where are they?
Okay. I'm in a good spot. They're just hoarding my guy. I'm coming, brother.
Kill them all.
I'm over here. I'm so dead.
You might have.
They're just holding my guy. I might just want to run. I love the zombie game mode, dude. It's scary, but it's not insanely scary to play it. No, I'm just gonna... That did not work. Okay. There's a lot of them. Oh well. Whack-a-mole. Ah! Why do I keep... Uh-oh. No, I'm dead. No, I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. Climb, climb, climb. Okay, my health is that good. And I just fell. I keep getting shockwave over here. I don't know why, but I just am. I could have just stayed and healed, but nope. Come on, just let me run. Okay, that should be about it, so. Boom! Okay, let's try to get to wave 10. Guys, I'm gonna try to get to wave 10. And then I'm gonna end the video. Oh gosh. Okay, so yeah, if you're gonna play this game mode, and if you have like the right amount of research points and you're not far away, I highly recommend unlocking this. And you'd like just want to grind a new game mode, I highly recommend unlocking this. I'm about to die though. No, I'm not, but still, I feel like come on, yes! Let me keep bouncing. Oh gosh. No, I'm dead. Yeah, it's the end for me. Am I still killing some? I'm still killing some! Okay. Ooh, that's kind of scary. So I don't think I have... Can I dive into my own body somehow? No, I'll have to do this. So I have to restart and not respawn. They'll be chasing me, so I'm gonna have to do that. Jump all the way over here. They won't be able to know where I am at all. Right, hopefully. Or will they? They might, I don't know. But they're just roaming. And I'm just gonna jump down to my stuff, which I think is just right here. Yes, it is. I'm gonna grab that, kill that guy, kill that guy, kill that guy, and just kill that, and boom. Boom, and boom. Boom. Okay, yeah, see, the bouncing mechanic isn't really working anymore. I think I'm on wave 9. And I just land on that. Weave? Oh my gosh, I just juked so many zombies. Gonna go ahead and kill. No, how are you? Yeah, kill you. Kill a bunch of these zombies. While only getting attacked like once. Now I'm not going fast. Perfect. Eat that. Eat my thing, please. No. My best thing is just to wall climb if I somehow can. Come on, I can do it. Come on. Dang it. Is it? Don't tell me it's just that one. Leave. Okay, come on, it's just one. One can't do much. And as soon as I get to spawn, it's gonna, okay. First, I need to know where every single zombie is. How many zombies even are there? And I can't do that. I see it won't allow me. Oh yeah, by the way, June 8th was my birthday, so yeah, I wasn't actually able to record because I was busy. So I had to do a past recording. But that looks scuffed. So I'm gonna go over here, hurry up, kill some, do this, climb this tree somehow, and please don't shock me off. It didn't shock me off, but it still got me. So I'm pretty mad. I'm about to die, so I'm just gonna... Okay, so, but my things are still doing its business. Was that really everything? Or every zombie? Oh, I think it's just you. So weave. And I just died like that. Okay, I think that was level 10. Pretty sure that was level 10. Yeah! It was level 10. So, okay, I'm gonna do this in like a bright light, so. There. I don't know if you can put these in a backpack. Worth a shot to try. Okay, it doesn't, so bye, goodbye. And we're gonna end this video off by selling like 2 or 3 suitcases and a shredder. So, let's go. Oh, okay. How much did we get? Like 5,000, maybe? Nice! 8,000, let's go. Oh, where did that go? Did it re-enter my storage somehow? Okay. No, it did not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And also, I know that Animal Company, you select, not really select, but like, you let people, you give people like free cosmetics for being a content creator. And as you can tell, when I'm looking straight, my character looks cooked. So I kind of have to look up. So I want to get rid of this mask, but I also don't at the same time. So yeah, and my outfit kind of sucks. I mean, I love my beanie and I love this jacket, but the face, yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I can't speak. Video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Daisy.